You're lightweight this time. We never lose. Just kidding. Yo! That's my foot.
I don't know what your plan is.
You're next.
I'm shooting the ground.
I'm gonna shoot you.
Shoot your foot.
We can dance, man. We can dance.
Oh, you really?
We can dance.
That game?
Yes.
1-3.
I can run faster.
No, I can run faster. Speed softer shit.
You're not aiming at my feet, dog. You're aiming at my crotch. Down a little further. There's my boy. Why are we walking? Come on, let's move. This is, yeah, let's all crowd. Get out of my way. Down. Jack, straight across. Please tell me that hit. Almost took off my fucking head. Yeah, up there in that red. There, I got him. Holy fuck! I'm out. I knew it. Yeah, me too. Look. Green shack! 12 o'clock! Right here!
Oh, yeah, we're not in the what is the middle one?
I don't know if it's clear to push, but what do you think?
I got him.
We got him. I'll cover.
Cover. 3, 2, 1. That didn't fucking work.
Did you get nailed?
No, I fucking slipped.
Oh, can you revive me? I got hit. Careful, pushing that corner.
You're good. Alright, let's try this again.
He's alive. He's in.
You good?
He's back.
Alright, motherfucker. Fuck you, bitch.
Right.
Got him. Come on in the door, it's shot. Fuck.
In that window? Right there.
Yeah, I see him. I can't get an angle on him. He's getting revived. Holy shit, smoke right on us. Smoke right on us. Shit. I'm watching the door. Tear gas, man. Fuck.
Yeah, we're all dead. Thank you, bro, because we're dying of
Gun hit. Gun hit. Gun hit. Revive. There's a met.
I'm dead now.
Hit.
They shot me before that.
I'm still getting shot. Still getting shot. Still getting shot. I got it on video, dog. Keep shooting me. Go, go, go! Hey, they're going up! They're going up! Oh shit, my bad, my bad, my bad! Fucking call it! Hey, fucking call your hit! Call it! Motherfucker! Fuck you! I got one down low in front here. Inside. Yep. Hey. Let me get your spot. Brad! They're not calling it. Coffee. Are you hit? Watch out, watch out, watch out. What? Sorry, that was me, that was me, that was me. Watch out, watch out. Watch out, I can get him. He's got his legs up, or his hands up. Wait on your ass, Fazo.
I'm walking around.
That guy's straight ahead of you. I'm gonna wrap around. Gonna wrap around. Clear, clear. Fuck it, let's do it. Gotcha. I can stand on my battery. Whew! Yeah. This shit's slippery.
How's your fall? I got a med kit if you need it. A real med kit. Yeah, back at the camper.
I'm solid, I'm solid. That knocked the wind out of me, dog.
Oh,
He took it hard. Yeah.
Woo!
Baby.
Where at? Where at?
They're not down there. They're not down there. Yeah, they're down there.
He's in that wooden structure at the 3 o'clock.
No!
Oh my God. Yo.
No! No! No!
Damn.
There's a grenade.
Grenade. You good?
No! I'm not good!
It's still usable.
Stick it.
Yeah.
This is fucking toast. Alright. Damn, I cracked the fucking metal.
Oh, he put
It happened. Hey, nothing a little flex tape won't fix, right?
It's alright, I got another gun.
Game's over.
Mine is! No, I'm going Black Halls. That's where I'm going home. Oh, you know where we're going.
Where?
Black Halls.
Actually, no, I love it.
That's my home, baby. That's where I live.
We freaking took it.
Who said that?
Who fired?
That was me. I'm sorry.
Go up on the road for 5 minutes.
I'm sorry.
Go up on the road for 5 minutes. I'll tell you when you can get in it. You play here enough. You should know. No firing until lock and load. Until go.
People are a little horny today.
Who's an egg?
Shit.
Anyone else?
My gun starts firing on stage. My gun starts firing on stage.
I keep thinking I'm getting hit in the head. It's my fucking helmet charm.
Grenade! There's a grenade back there, by the way. Alright.
But guess what? Grenade! No.
Grenade!
I got another one. Go ahead. I got another one. It's Airsoft! Just letting you know.
I have no idea.
Everyone's crying about random shit. Like it's not a game.
I didn't know that.
Right outside. Right outside.
Oh, you're right. You're good.
Hey, that's blind firing. You gotta actually see your target.
Not me.
Red! You're all dead in there! Call the grenade! Wow, bro. Now he's dead. Hold up, man. Don't go nowhere yet.
Two down in tower.
Fuck!
What the hell are you doing?
Merry Christmas.
Oh, thank you.
There's more.
Where's all this starboard?
Hey, you want some? Merry Christmas. crazy. Are you fucking for real? Spray those windows, bro.
Which window?
So you over here.
This one?
On trailer 3. You have to back up towards me a little bit. Windows of trailer 3.
I don't know, your hand's not off. You guys want to try to flank around these side windows while I surprise?
His bag weighs at least 100 pounds and it's all BBs.
Hey. Fuck him up.
Watch your head, Sion.
Watch your head.
Watch your head, buddy.
Hold it, just hold it. Don't let it go.
There you go. Let me see it. That kid's hit. I
am not trying to get hit. I am one.
No.
From right outside there. That's where I got shot from Blaze. We can push back. We can push back.
Fuck that. Fuck you. That guy has his arm up.
Watch that window so I can hold the hallway. Actually, I can't even hold the hallway because that's...
Oh, shit.
We need to push this way more. And then back into school. Blue coming in. Blue coming in. Blue perfect. They're getting close. It's right there. Right behind us.
Black Hall's coming through the Black Halls and pushing in.
Are they dead right there?
They are now. Down to your left, down to the other side. Alright, got one.
Left side, left side.
Right side. Got two. Right side, right side, right side, do right side. Far up here, up in the hill.
Oh, we're going to be the final scene. I can see that right now. It's all going to be the final
One pushing straight up. Still behind you, it's fucking almost. They're pushing around.
I know where they are.
Wooden structure, triangle structure. He's close.
That one?
Yep. He's hit. Hit that one by the tree. He's not calling it. Oh, they're
real loud. One.
Fuck!
I got one at least.
Yo, come on, bro. Yo, what the? Get the fuck in there, boy! Go, 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 move! Move, go! Go, 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 go! Ah, Back up, back up, back up! My man! Right! Right across the street! Tyler! I got enough. Are you dead? Back out. Break! Grenade! Grenade! Watch window! Watch window! Fire.
I'm good. Hey, anybody get ready?
Fuck! Today! Fucking ricochet. Courtyard, and at the end of our trailer. So apparently at the end of courtyard here.
Courtyard, we got the Christmas tree.
Yeah, we got him. Watch out, Fazo. I need him. I got you, buddy. I'm out of life. I need ammo. Oh, he's dead now! God damn, his back is heavy, bro.
This thing is so fucking heavy. Dude, my back hurts so bad.
Are you not recording?
Take the spot. Bye.